Emergencies don't mean you have to settle for bland, unappealing meals. With a little creativity, you can turn your emergency rations into satisfying dishes. Today, I'll show you how to make the most of your survival food supplies. Start with the basics. Use rice or instant noodles as a filling base. Combine them with canned protein like tuna, chicken, or beans for a hearty meal. Add spices or seasoning packets to enhance the flavor. You'd be amazed how far a pinch of salt or a dash of hot sauce can go. Next, don't overlook hydration. Powdered drink mixes or bouillon cubes can add variety and flavor to your meals. They also help keep you hydrated and energized. If you have limited cooking options, use portable stoves, canned heat, or even a makeshift solar cooker. These tools are compact and easy to use, even off-grid. Finally, think about variety. Mix sweet and savory items, like pairing crackers with peanut butter and canned fruit for a balanced snack. This keeps meals interesting and morale high during stressful times. With a little planning, your emergency meals can be both practical and enjoyable. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.